Hi everyone, Shivani is here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's I created a special Karwachauth look. If you really enjoy my tutorial, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Firstly, I prep my skin, which is very important step in makeup. I using lotus toner for toning. It smells like gulab gel and it's really very good for skin. After this, I left my skin for 1 minute, and then after toning I using moisturizer for moisturizing my skin. I using Cetaphil moisturizer for moisturizing. It is very effective and for very good for dry skin. I using Indulge oil for extra hydration to my skin. Then I'm using Forever 52 primer. I spread evenly on my face. I use fingertips for applying primer. You can use any brush for that. Then I'm using Miss Clear eyebrow palette. I don't need any eyebrow pencil and cake because my eyebrows are thick and black. That's why I'm mixing two colors, brown and black, for achieve a perfect brows. Then I am using Forever 52 concealer for my eyeshadow base. I am applying it on top of my eyes and spread evenly. Then I am using Forever 52 eyeshadow palette. It is very pigmented, very beautiful in shades. I took a light brown color and create a crease. I blended out all color. I took a dark brown color and make a crease. Then I mix two colors, red and black, and I apply it on my outer V. And then blend it out and blend it out. Then I'm using Maybelline concealer and I create my cut crease. I cut my crease using Maybelline concealer. Seriously, it is really awesome drugstore product. After that, I apply a dark blue shade in my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I blend it out with black. I using my favorite blending brush from Pro Art. After that, I using red wine color on top of my blue shade. It helps to pop out the blue shade. I took this beautiful color from Forever 52 palette and I apply it on my fingertips. I using my fingertips to apply this beautiful glitter. You can also use any brush you want to apply this. After this I apply Forever 52 liner on my eyes. I created a wing liner and this is so beautiful. Then I'm using Forever 52 dark shade for my concealing. I conceal all my pigmentations, redness on my face. I have not any pigmentation scars on my face, So I'm only using concealer on my face, not any color corrector. I blend it out with the stippling brush. Then I'm mixing 2 shades of Forever 52 to achieve my base. I apply foundation on my whole face. I blend it out with a stippling brush. I'm not that kind of person who wear a lot of makeup. I'm doing very light contouring on my face. This is Sugar contour palette and really very nice product. So I applied it on my cheeks. Little bit color on my forehead. And I light contour on my nose. Just blend it out with brush. This is my really favorite contour brush from Pro Art. This is I using lipstick for my blush. I'm using pink lipstick for my blush. After apply it, just blend it out and blend it out. So apply highlighter from Forever 52 to highlight my highlighted parts. Then I apply black kohl from Forever 52 in my waterline and black and brown eyeshadow my lower lash line. I wear this beautiful eyelashes to complete my eye look. So here my eye makeup is complete and I apply mascara on it to join my real lashes and artificial lashes. I underline my lips. This is pink shade lip pencil from Forever 52. Then I am using Forever 52 liquid lipstick. Beautiful shade. I applied on my lips. Then I apply this creamy lipstick on top of my liquid lipstick. Here is my final look and I'm ready for Karwachauth. I'm not marrying yet, but I created this look for you. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Like, share, comment and follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Love you guys. See you on my next video.